Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. The use of the medicine ball is to intensify training and maximize the benefits to enhance strength, coordination, and balance. The medicine ball, a versatile and functional training tool, adds an extra challenge to your routine, helping you build muscular strength and enhance your athletic abilities. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. First up, we have the medicine ball squat. Stand tall, grip the medicine ball, and squat down, engaging your core and leg muscles. As you rise back up, explode upward, extending your arms and pushing the ball towards the ceiling. Let's repeat this movement for a total of 10 or so reps. Next, let's move on to the wood chop. I previously did a full video on wood chops. If you missed it, I'll put a link in the description. To move forward, start by holding the medicine ball with both hands above your shoulder on one side. Swing the ball diagonally across your body, rotating your torso. Alternate sides and perform 10 or so reps on each side. Let's target those arms with medicine ball push-ups. Place the medicine ball under your chest, hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body down towards the ball, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Push back up and repeat for 10 or so reps. Finally, let's finish off with the Russian twist. Sit on the ground, knees bent, and hold the medicine ball in front of you. Lean back slightly, engage your core, and twist your torso from side to side, tapping the ball on the ground. Aim for 10 or so reps on each side. Remember to listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed. Please go back through this channel. There might be an exercise or workout sessions, tips, and empowering stories from me who have triumphed over adversity. Together, we can rewrite the narrative surrounding ataxia and redefine what's possible by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free and thank you.